Hey everyone, and welcome back to another video. In this video, I'm going to show you how to set up the Shark Carpet Expert. Now, this video is going to be particularly useful for individuals who just got this vacuum and are wondering how to actually go ahead and set it up. So the main thing that you need to do is that first you want to go ahead and get your Shark Carpet Expert Deep Cleaning Essential Solution. So I'll leave a link to this down below. Next, you want to go ahead and pop the top off. So what we're going to do is that we're going to pull this latch and we're just going to pop this off. Then you want to go ahead and turn it upside down. And so the first thing that we're going to do is that we're going to fill the water to this top line, and then we're going to fill the concentrate to this line. Now keep in mind not to use water hotter than 140 degrees. So any sink water will do. So I'll just grab water from the sink here, twist this open, and once again, add water to the water line, then add the solution, this one here, to the concentrate line. Go ahead and twist it back up. And then afterwards, you would just go ahead and pop it back in to your Shark Carpet Expert. So you should hear a little click, and there you have it. But that right there, guys, is the best and easiest way that I know of to actually go ahead and set up your Shark Carpet Expert. If you guys know of a better or easier way to actually do this, let me know in the comments down below. I would love to know. Thanks so much for watching, everyone, and I'll see you guys all in the next video.